Still copy-pasting names, dates, or email addresses from PDFs? Let's fix that, using a prompt-based AI setup that extracts any data field from your documents automatically. No coding, no manual work, just clean data on autopilot. You'll also get 25 euros in free credits to test it for yourself. So let's get into it. First, sign up for free to DocHorizon. The link is in the description. You'll enter your email address, set a password, and fill in some information like your company name, use case, and expected document volume. After that, your 25 euros in free credits will be waiting for you. Once you're in a dashboard, go to the left side, Project Settings, Services. Enable Prompt Builder, which allows you to obtain information from documents using a prompt. Let's start by creating your own prompt. On the left side of your screen, go to Prompt Builder and add a new prompt configuration. Let's name it, for example, Email from PDF. What you see now is the overview of your prompt configuration. On the left, you can drag and drop or select a file. Let's select a PDF file for testing. On the right, you can set up your prompt. You can start from scratch or choose a template. We have many templates for specific document types. For example, if you select the invoice template, you get multiple data fields with their own prompt, which you can edit, copy, or delete. Find a template that works best for you or start from scratch. In this case, we want only the email address from any PDF file, so let's start from scratch. Add general instructions, something like you are reading PDF documents to find the email address. Then add the prompt for the data field required. Name it email address. Type text and then the prompt question. Think about just like talking to any other AI chatbot. What is the email address on the document? Lastly, enable image mode if you are processing images. Click Create and your prompt configuration is ready to use. Let's preview the results, and just like that, your email address is extracted. That's it, whether it's an email, a name, a due date, or a total. Perfect for business workflows, CRM pipelines, or just saving time every day. Try it yourself using the link below to get 25 euros in free credits. If you're handling a high document volume or want a tailored setup, book a free demo and the team will help you build it fast. And let me know in the comments what information you need to extract from your PDF files. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.